Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Discovery Plus on Sky. So first things first, you want to sign in to My Sky, scroll down and select apps and click on buy now on the Discovery Plus tile. And then after this you want to go ahead and choose a subscription. Okay, confirm for Discovery Plus, choose Discovery Plus as your subscription. Go ahead and click on confirm. If you want, you can view the terms of service. And then all you need to do, guys, is create an account. So scan the QR code on your smartphone or tablet, or you can go to this URL, sign in with your Sky ID, and go ahead and create a Discovery Plus account. Okay? And then at the end, all you need to do is activate your account. So go to the Discovery Plus app on your TV, go ahead and select on sign in, and you'll see an activation code on your screen. Just go ahead to the discoveryplus.com/link and enter the code to activate your account. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.